Hi guys, this is Shuli. In this video, let's learn how to make fresh paneer. It's very easy to make. You can make fresh paneer before you start making any dish. So let's see how to make this healthy fresh paneer at home. For this recipe, we need two ingredients. One is vinegar or lemon juice. Here I am using white vinegar. Instead of white vinegar, you can use lemon juice. Another one is milk. So let's start the recipe. Turn on the heat and put it into a medium flame. So let's add milk to a heavy bottom pan. I'm using 2 liters of whole milk. Let the milk come to a boil. Stir continuously and always make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. In 2 liters of milk, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of vinegar. Once the milk has come to a boil, add vinegar. For soft paneer, once the milk started separates, no need to boil further. You can turn off the heat. At this point, stop boil anymore so that the milk curdles completely. You can see the paneer is started curdling nicely. You can add little ice cubes so it will stop process anymore. So next step, we will drain the curdled milk into a cloth. So you can see this excess water, so we can take out this excess water. So now as you can see here, I have lined one cotton cloth. You can use muslin cloth. Now to separate the water from the solid, very carefully, the water is very hot. Now let's rinse the paneer with the cold water. Ensure that all the smells or if you have any flavor of the vinegar, everything just go away. Now squeeze gently. Take out the excess water. It's enough. Now flatten the paneer and place it on a flat surface. Anything, you can use any steel plate or any kind of plate, and or if you have paneer press, you can use paneer press. So here I'm using one plate. I flatten the paneer and let's put some weight on this paneer. I'm using tortilla press. You can use to press this paneer. If you are in a hurry, you can keep this way for 3 to 5 hours and you can use this paneer. But if you can keep it for longer time, like for overnight or for 5 to 7 hours, then definitely your paneer will be more firm. Ultimately, I found the right solution. Now it's almost 8 hours. Let's look at the paneer. So you can see how well our paneer has set. Guys, do try make paneer at home, and you can make various paneer dishes, various recipe with this homemade paneer. You can check my paneer recipes on Shuli's Kitchen. I will give you the link in the description box for paneer recipes. You can check all kind of paneer recipes I have shared. How you simple way you can make your paneer at home if you do not have paneer press. So I hope you like this recipe. Next time I will show you another paneer recipe, how we can make our paneer with the paneer press. After straining the paneer, this is the excess water. I always store this water in a glass bottle, and whenever I need to make a atta dough or sabji, I use this water. This is full of protein, so never discard this water. I hope you enjoy my today's recipe. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then share it with your family and friends. See you next time. Till then, eat fresh, stay healthy. Let's cut into cubes.